Recently, the Japanese space agency JAXA has announced the discovery of a huge cavern hidden beneath the lunar surface. Data from the space probe Kaguya have confirmed that there is a huge cavern of 50 kilometers in the subhalo of the Moon, capable of providing protection for future lunar bases. Using a radar system that can examine underground structures, the cavern, which is located in the Marius Hills area on the near side of the Moon, measures about 162 feet wide and extends for about 31 miles, according to the data taken by the Selenological and Engineering Explorer, Selene, mission of the Japanese Space Agency. Moreover, it may contain rocks filled with water or ice. The cave received the name of Kaguya, which is a moon princess in a Japanese fairytale. The site offers a possible protected site for future underground lunar bases and could provide shelter from cosmic radiation and threatening temperatures, while water or ice could be used as fuel, said JAXA. Scientists widely believe that the Moon was shaken by volcanic activity on a large scale until about 1 billion years ago. It is believed that the cavern was a lava tube formed when the outside lava cooled and hardened while the molten rock inside remained hot and continued to flow, where the cavern, probably created by volcanic activity, has not collapsed. It could be given enormous interest in this huge cavern to be used as a future underground base. The reason caves on the Moon would make sense for a lunar base is that with no real atmosphere, the Moon does not offer protection from radiation or temperature changes. It would also protect from potential impact from collision from space objects. Scientists posit intact lunar lava tubes offer a pristine environment to conduct scientific examination of the Moon's composition and potentially serve as secure shelters for humans and instruments. Could it be that the cave, instead of being created by volcanic activity, as the official statement says, is actually an artificially created entrance that leads to a huge existing underground moon base built by an extraterrestrial race? In the past, humankind has suffered some setbacks and tragedies in its quest to explore the frontiers of space, and yet, for a period, it seemed that nothing could stop NASA and its astronauts from pushing forward in its mission. This period of enterprise and fearless exploration came to a sudden end when the manned space program was terminated without due explanation, including the Apollo missions, which stopped short of their proposed 20-visit program. Why did NASA choose to end the Moon exploration program at this specific point in time? Could it be that the extraterrestrial already built their bases on the Moon caves? Alien believers are certain that NASA missions, as well as those by their Soviet counterparts, have often come into contact with what has to be alien life. It has been a source of mystery for generations, but what is on the dark side of the Moon? Planet Earth only gets to see one side of the giant space rock, and what lies on the other half is unknown. Now a UFO enthusiast has claimed aliens are living in a supermassive network of tunnels and caves on our Moon. They suspect they are thriving in underground cities covering the mysterious dark side which can never be seen from Earth. And now we have evidence in astonishing images from a lost lunar spaceship which has been found orbiting the Moon after going missing 8 years ago. The presence of enormous caves on the Moon suggests that an alien civilization could be living much closer to home than we previously thought. NASA has admitted that these caves could be used as potential locations for a human colony on the Moon. It makes us wonder if they might have already investigated them without public knowledge. It is a known fact that craters are covering the Moon, and have been created by meteorites that have peppered its surface. These caves and tunnels would make the perfect location for an alien civilization to take refuge from the prying eyes of humanity.